All right, guys, sorry if the sound is bad today. I don't have my windscreen with me, but quick project that I want to get done. Let's see if this works. I have a thought. So for the last year and a half, we've been running this 4.5 gallon fuel packs, and it's worked great. It's been a good unit, but we found a defect on it. Props to Rotopax. As soon as I sent them pictures of that, literally minutes after I sent them pictures, they responded and says, we'll take care of it. So upgraded to a 4 gallon, I'm sorry, that was the fuel packs, upgraded to a 4 gallon Rotopax. Without realizing it, the mounting spacing is different. So this one's been sitting on the sun since it got defective, so it's expanded. But so we just need to move some of the brackets, but it doesn't fit on the rack well the way I have it set up. So got up this morning, cooked bacon on the tracker, made eggs and breakfast for everybody. So I have an idea. I'm gonna run to Home Depot, see if I can find the parts, because I want to get this back up there for some trips we're gonna do, just so we have extra fuel. So let's get going. Just wandered Home Depot for a little bit. I had an idea that I wanted to go with that didn't work out, so I wandered some more, and I think I figured something out. I mean, these guys are less than $3 a piece, so I'll show you what I'm gonna do. We're gonna head home, grab some hardware, just because I was there and I didn't have to dig out my old hardware this way. I'm into this $10 for hardware and these. If it works, this is gonna be pretty slick. So let's head home and see if we can make this work. So this is my plan. This is how I've always had the fuel packs mounted, with just these guys carriage bolted to the Prinsu Rack, and it's worked. But again, this spacing is different, so the Rotopax won't fit, and it's too long to fit in the space. So I want to run it across. So I went and picked up this, actually a couple of these covers from Home Depot, less than $3 a piece. Fit in the slot's perfect. So my plan is to get out of the sun here, to drill holes in this to mount these to this, and then sandwich it between two bars. So if it doesn't make sense, hopefully it will once I get it in there, but I'm gonna take these off, drill the holes, bolt them to these, and then sandwich them between two bars. So let's go. All right, so super simple. I just marked a center line on the plate, set this on it, eyeballed it this way, and then marked the 3 holes I'm gonna use. I'm only gonna do 3 because well, I don't know, we'll just see. So I'm gonna drill those holes, bolt this on there, and then sandwich this between the bars. All right, so that's one done. I took the washers out. These are 1/2 inch bolts. I maybe should have went 3/4. So I got lock nuts, and I wanted them to, you know, capture on there with a nylon. With a washer, it definitely doesn't do it, and I don't think washers are necessary, so I took them out. If it turns out to be an issue, I can go get longer ones, but I just didn't have any now. I dug through my stash and didn't have any, so that's one. And I can the other one done. All right, so that's them mounted up. Now I'm gonna get up there and sandwich them between a couple bars. All right, well that was pretty easy. These guys just fit nice and snug into the bar. You can see that how well it fits. And then I just spaced them out according to the spacing on the can. Tighten the bars back up and so I'm gonna go actually put the mounts on to hold it in place, make sure it works, and then go fill it up with fuel. All right, guys, that's that. Went and filled it with fuel. Did have a drip just because I didn't tighten it enough, but it's tight and hasn't leaked. It's been about an hour. Well, that's that. That's a mount for 10 bucks. Now, I will say that I have noticed the plastic. I can tighten the Rotopax mounts enough to bend that plastic. I don't know that it will break. And maybe that's a good thing. Maybe it'll help it when it expands. It'll give it a little tension, but I might switch to the metal ones. The metal covers equivalent were $3 each. They're basically the same. I just went plastics. I thought it would work better, but I might go with the metal ones eventually. So for now, give you a good idea. It's Halloween. This is the snout that I changed out, or the spout, the scepter one. So if you haven't seen that video, go find it. It helps force fuel out a lot faster. So it's Halloween. Got the baby ready, and that's that. Oh, and again, it is Halloween. Rotopax is having a sale, their blemish sale right now. I'm gonna go order a couple things because their customer service is outstanding. I want to get a water tank. So that's that. We'll see you on the next one.